But for the avoidance of doubt, I'm heading to court, which is an arena outside this house. If the bill was coming to this house, I would have waited to comment on the bill and to try and fight it in this house. But because it is not coming to this house, it will only be in the National Assembly. And by that, I'm even in court trying to fight that it should come to this house. But that's another story. But because it is not coming to this house as matters stand, I'm going to engage with the bill in court and watch this space. Have your Jamhuri. After Jamhuri is a new ball game. We'll be engaging frontally with that bill on the issues that threaten to disindustrialize, to destroy the industrial base of this country, and return us to the caves, the way the war on Iraq has returned Iraq to the caves. This is a war on the Republic of Kenya. It's a fight for the soul of this country, and we are not going to shy from it. We don't have another country, we only have this country. And so those who are inviting me for a fight, let us meet outside this house, where you enjoy no privileges. And it will be a bare-knuckled fight. There will be no kid gloves. It will be bare knuckles. And I don't blink.